Hello guys!
Hello guys, now open this pink slime. Guys, we're filling here.
Yeah!
We're opening pink slime. And it's pink.
Yeah! And now we have a new slime version which is ready to use.
Guys, look at the sprinkles.
Sprinkles, yeah. The slime has sprinkles built on it. So this is slimy sweet galaxy. Mix your own galaxy slimy. And then it has a lot of sprinkles on it. And then we have some glitters and ABC glittery here.
So we can make it more glitter.
Yeah, so that we can mix with the slime.
So we can make it cuter.
Okay, let's start. Can you open it?
I need a scissors.
Now that we're opening the slime.
We have to cut this tape.
Let me help you.
Okay. Open it. Whoa, our pink slime. Let's go open it there. Can you help me? And then I will help you with the video.
Yeah. Let me close it first. Okay?
Guys,
Can you open it by yourself now?
Okay. Plastic wrapper. I can feel it. It's so slimy. Googly. I need something. The paper wrapper.
So we got this slime.
Remove
It's
the
kind of sticky.
remove the paper wrapper. Ah!
Okay? And then
I
you
know.
bring it out now.
Slime.
So this is
How the slime looks like.
how the slime looks
And
like.
then it's so yucky. Wow!
You need to keep rolling in your hands.
To make it dry. I'm just cleaning it and my hands was still getting dirty. Oh no! Ah! It's so sticky. Wah! Wah! Ah! Wee! I just see the shimmer. You see the shimmer here?
Yay!
I know. Hi. Look at the shimmer, Daddy. See the shimmer.
Okay.
Wow.
Let's add more glitters.
Yay.
So now we're gonna put
Guys, choose which one is your favorite. Yellow, red, or green.
it's up to you what you want to put. So we're gonna put the glitters.
Can I put 3 of this?
Yeah, can you open and put it here?
How?
This one is already open.
How to open
Just do like this, like a bottle. Careful. And then you add the red. It's already open. And the green.
I have to put the red.
It's just like a bottle, yeah. And then you mix it up.
Guys, look at the slime. I showed Tears and Daddy's slime.
Wait, later. You just keep mixing. Keep mixing until it becomes perfect slime.
Guys, it's rainbow.
Rainbow
Pink slime.
colors. Rainbow colors of letters for the slime. We got other ones here.
We don't want to waste them.
See?
We don't want to waste them, you know, guys. Where can I use this orange one and this one?
That one for the next one. I think that's enough for our slime. Can you keep mixing so that we can have a perfect slime later?
And my pinky is worried because she's messy. She's gonna.
So let's see what's happened. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Mommy, pinky. Can I go open this one first?
Yeah, we're gonna add more slime. I mean glittery letters.
But look, I opened this one. I need the spoon, sprinkle it.
And then mix it up.
Mommy.
And then the orange.
I will do it. Mom, can you help me? See?
Let's keep mixing. Let's keep mixing.
Guys, look. Look at my beautiful slime. I want to show
Okay,
Daddy.
see you later.
Later, guys. Guys, look, it almost hardens, guys.
Yeah,
It almost hardened.
It's almost perfect.
It's almost cute, you know, guys. It's
Yeah.
almost cute.
Let's wait till it becomes perfect slime.
Okay, let's wait.
A little bit
Guys,
harder than it's soft now.
Look, it's soft. Mommy, look. Whee! It will be, Mommy, my love.
It's too slimy before. Now it becomes a little bit drier and consistent.
Mom, I will test it out.
Now it's a little bit too wet. So let's wait a little bit longer. Just keep mixing and mixing until it gets drier than it was.
We have to fix this so I can mix it around. We'll clean my.
Let's see what happens.
Guys,
Almost there. It's still a little bit wet. Wait for it to get more dry. Yay! See you later, guys. Almost there.
Wow.
It's still sticky.